10. And how many rupee coin?
2 rupee.
2 rupee coin. Okay, fine. So what we will do, first of all, we'll add this 20 and 10 together. 20 rupee note and 10 rupee note. So tell me, Suryansh, 20 plus 10, how much? Show me your 10 fingers and start counting after 20.
Teacher katta screen la kanpadali.
Show me your 10. Yeah, start counting after 20 now.
21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
So 20 plus 10 is 30, and then you, and 2 rupee coin is also there. So 30 plus 2, how much? After 30, count forward 2.
2 fingers like that.
31, 32.
32. That's correct. So this is equal to 32 rupees. Don't forget to make rupee symbol. So we'll make rupee symbol here. And our answer for last bit is 3 to 32. Answer for last bit is rupees 32. Okay. Now we are done with this page number 11, children. I'll clear this and we'll start with page number 10 now. Okay. Yes, I want you all to open page number 10 of your math course book. Open page number 10, write date and classwork. This is exactly same what we did in question, what we did in last question. We have to look at the currency notes and coins, and then we have to add them. We have to add the given currency. We need,
Ma'am,
look at the first bit and tell me how many rupee coins are there.
5 rupee, 1 rupee.
So 2 coins are there. First one is 5 rupee coin and the next one is 1 rupee coin. So tell me 5 rupee plus 1 rupee is equal to how much? Yeah, tell me. 5 and 1. Yes, 5 and 1 is 6. So this is equal to 6 rupees. So we'll write 6. So answer for first bit is 6 rupee. Yes, Ketan?
Ma'am,
Yes.
11 pages didn't complete 2 bits.
I think we were left with last bit only, if I'm not wrong. You must be writing slowly then. Yes, Tarini?
Miss, did you start any another page or only this page?
No, we are starting with this page number 10 only. Actually, one bit was left yesterday, no? On page number 11, last bit was left. So first we completed that and now we are starting with page number 10.
Yeah, and you know, yesterday I just completed this page. 10.
Okay, very good. That's good. That's good. Okay, now second question. Veda, please unmute yourself and tell me how many rupee coins are there. Veda, unmute yourself quickly. Veda is not there. Swarnika? Swarnika?
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Ma'am, Swarnika is in washroom, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Ma'am, Veda.
Yes, Veda, tell me how many rupee coins are there? In second bit.
10 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin.
10 rupee coin and 2 rupee coin. So tell me 10 plus 2 how much?
12.
So this is equal to 12 rupees. How many rupee?
It is equals to 12 rupees.
Yeah, 12 rupee. And please children, don't forget to make rupee symbol. You have to make rupee symbol also. Now next one. Third bit. Hayati,
Yes, ma'am.
in third bit, how many rupee coins are there?
10 rupee coin and 5 rupee coin.
10 rupee coin and 5 rupee coin. Very good. So tell me 10 plus 5 how much?
15 rupees.
Very good. 10 plus 5 is 1 5 15. So answer is equal to 1 5 15 rupees. Okay. That's correct.
Nana.
Okay. So we are done with question number 2. We'll move to question number 3. This is add the values of the currency notes and write the sum in the box. So we have to add these currency notes and then we have to find out the answer. Tarini, tell me in third question, first bit, how many rupee notes are there?
Okay. 20 rupee note and 5 rupee note.
20 rupee note and 5 rupee note. So tell me 20 plus 5 how much?
25.
Very good. Yes, children, 20 plus 5 is 25. So we will make a rupee symbol here first. We will make a rupee symbol here and then we'll write the answer. Answer is 2 5 20. 5 rupee 25. Okay. Now next one. Tanvisri, please read second question. How many rupee notes are there?
50 rupees note, 50 note plus 20 rupees note.
50 rupee note and 20 rupee note. These two notes are there. Okay, now tell me 50 plus 20 how much?
70 rupees note.
Not 70 rupee note. It's 70 rupees. Answer will be 70 rupees.
70 rupees.
Answer will be 7070. Yes, children, 5050 plus 2020. Those who don't know how to add, what you can do is, yes, children, listen carefully. Those who don't know how to add these, what you can do, you can write these numbers in your math notebook. First one is 50 rupee note. You can write here 50. And next one is 20 rupee note. So you can write 2020 below it. Okay. And then you can add them with plus sign. So 0 plus 0 will be 0 and 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. So answer is 70 rupees. Okay. So we'll make a rupee symbol here again. And we'll write the answer. Answer is 7070. Okay. Bhanu.
This one.
Bhanu, I called you yesterday, but you were not there. Fine. Now, Bhanu, tell me in the last bit how many rupee notes are there?
Fine, ma'am.
Huh?
Fine, ma'am.
What are you saying, Bhanu? I said in last question, how many rupee notes are there? 2 notes are there. Tell me. This is page number 10 of the math course. Yes, Bhanu, I'm waiting.
6 rupees.
6 rupee note.
Please.
Look at your screen. Look at the last bit and tell me there are 2 notes. How many rupee notes are there? If you are unable to see
50 rupees.
50 rupee and second one.
10 rupee.
Yeah, so there are 2 notes, one of rupee 50 and other of rupee 10. Now tell me 50 plus 10 how much?
60.
Yes, so 50 plus 10 is
Rupee.
equal to 6060. So answer is rupee 60. So again we'll make rupee symbol here. And the answer is 6060. Is there anyone who is still writing? Is there anyone who is still writing? Yes, is there anyone who is still writing? Otherwise, I'll clear the screen and I'll move forward. Okay, fine. So I'll clear this now. Now, next one. Now open page number 1 to 12 of your math course book, children, and write date and classwork on page number 12. Open page number 1 to 12, write date and classwork on page number 12. Page number 12, write date and classwork quickly. Okay, now we'll start. Ayansh,
Yes, ma'am.
Ayansh, please read this question for us.
What, ma'am?
Please read this question for us. Observe the following table.
Observe the following table. Find the total money spent by each person and answer the following questions.
Ketan, listen carefully, sit down and behave properly, please. Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Ayansh. Thanks for reading this question for us. So the question is, children listen carefully. This is, observe the following table and find the total money spent by each person and answer the following questions. So there are few person here. Now we have to find the total amount spent by them. Total money spent by them. I've told you whenever we have this total word, we have this total word. This means we have to add. We have to add. So here we have to add the given amount. We have to add the given money. Okay, so we'll start with the first one. Janvi, please read first bit. Rekha.
Cat.
Rekha.
Rekha bought 1 cap, 2 pens, and 1 cupcake.
Rekha bought
1 cupcake, 25 rupees.
Rekha bought 1 cap, 2 pens, and 1. Janvi, just hold on. So there's one girl Rekha, and she bought 1 cap, 2 pens. Look, keep on looking at your screen, children. She bought 1 cap, 2 pens, and 1 cupcake. Now let us see what is the cost of 1 cap, 2 pens, and 1 cupcake. Yes, Janvi, what is the cost of 1 cap?
1 cap is equal to 45 rupees. 2 pens is equal to 10 rupees. 1 cupcake is equal to 35 rupees.
Yes, that's correct. So cost of 1 cap is equal to, yeah. So cost of 1 cap is equal to rupee 45. 2 pens is equal to rupees 10, and cost of 1 cupcake is equal to rupees 3535. Now we have to find out the total. Total means we have to add them. We have to add them. Manha,
Yes, ma'am.
please sit properly. Yeah. Okay, children. So first of all these are 2-digit numbers. In 2-digit number, we have values in ones place and tens place, right? So we always start adding the numbers in ones place first. So in ones place, Mana, what are the numbers here in first question?
Where, ma'am?
Mana, look at your screen. I have written here ones and tens. Now in ones place, what are the numbers?
5.
5 and
3.
no. These are the numbers in ones place. So numbers are 5, 0 and 5. Numbers in ones place are 5, 0 and
5.
and 5. So first of all, we will add this 5 and 0 together. First of all, we'll add this 5 and 0 together. I've told you earlier also, I'll repeat again, Ashita, sit properly. Whenever we are adding 0 to any number, that number will not change. So 5 plus 0 is how much, Mana?
5.
Very good. If we are adding 0 to any number, that means we are adding nothing. So 5 plus 0 is 5. Now with this 5, we have to add this another 5. So Mana, tell me 5 plus 5 how much?
10.
Very good. 5 plus 5 is 10, children. So what we will do, we will write here 0 and 1 will go as carry over. 1 will go as carry over in tens place. Okay? 1 will go as carry over in tens place. Now, Siddharth, you tell me what are the numbers in tens place. Unmute yourself.
4, 1, 3.
And one more number is there. I wrote there as carry over. What is that? Yes, Siddharth. What is the number which I wrote as carryover?
5.
No.
0, ma'am.
No. Look at your screen carefully. Above this T, where I have written this tens, I have written one number there in this circle, inside the circle. What is that number?
1.
Yeah. So numbers in tens place are 1, 4, 1 and 3. Okay, Siddharth, first you tell me, we'll be adding these numbers one by one. So 4 plus 1, how much?
5.
Very good. 4 plus 1 is 5. Now we will add this 3 also. 3 is left. 5 plus 3, how much?
8.
Very good. 5 plus 3 is 8. And we have this 1 as carryover. So 8 plus 1?
What, ma'am?
8 plus 1. We have to add this carryover also, no?
9.
Very good. So we write here 9. And don't forget to make your rupee symbol, children. You have to make your rupee symbol also. So answer is 9090. 9090 rupees. Okay, answer is 9090 rupees. Fine. Note down this first one. Ashita, please unmute yourself and read second question. Manish
Manish
bought.
Manish bought 11 balls.
No. Ashita, if you are finding it difficult to read from your screen, read from your book.
Okay, ma'am. Manish bought 1 ball, 2 pencils and 1 scale.
Very good. Manish bought 1 ball, 2 pencils and 1 scale. Now tell me, what is the cost of 1 ball?
Rupees 25.
And 2 pencils cost?
2 pencil for rupees 20.
And then what is left?
Scale.
1 scale.
Yes.
Now what is the cost of that 1 scale?
50.
15 rupees.
15 rupees.
Yeah. Okay, so now what we have to do, we have to add these 3 costs. Now we'll see what do we have in ones place and what do we have in tens place. Now Ashita, tell me in ones place, what are the numbers?
2.
No.
5.
Yes, 5.
0.
0.
5.
Very good. This is 5, 0 and 5. Okay, that's correct. Arohi, please unmute yourself. Arohi, please unmute yourself. Yeah. Arohi, now we have to add the numbers in ones place. You tell me 5 plus 0, how much? When we are adding 0 to any number, that number will not change. 0 means nothing. So 5 plus 0 is?
5.
Very good. So children, first of all, we will add this 5 and 0 together. So 5 plus 0 is 5. Now we have to add this last 5 also. Now tell me, Arohi, 5 plus 5?
10.
Very good. So 5 plus 5 is 10. So we will write only 0 here and 1 will go as carry over in tens place. Okay. Now Arohi, okay, now done. Thank you. Rohit Chaudhary. Rohit, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Rohit. Now tell me, what are the numbers in tens place?
Tens place.
25.
No. 2.
2.
Yes.
2.
2.
1.
Yeah. So number in tens place are 2, 2, 1, and there is one more 1 as carryover in tens place. So tell me, Rohit, 2 plus 2, how much?
4.
Very good. First of all, we'll add these 2. So 2 plus 2 is 4 and 4 plus 1?
Okay.
5.
4 plus 1 is 5. Very good. And there is 1 is carried over. So 5 plus 1 is?
No problem.
5
Go
plus 1
and play outside. Play badminton, shuttle.
Mama.
So we will write here 6. So what is the answer? Answer is rupees.
Mentally.
What is the answer, Rohit? Yes, answer is rupees 60. Don't forget to make your rupee symbol, children. Answer for second bit is rupee 60. Okay, answer for second bit is rupee 60. Okay. Now, next question. That is third bit. Bhavashrit, please unmute yourself and read third question.
Okay.
Yeah.
Kirti brought $1 and 2 earrings and 3 kites.
Kriti bought $1, 2 erasers and 3 kites. Now tell me what are the costs. 3 costs are there. Yes, Bhavashrit, $1 is equal to how many rupees?
55 rupees.
Okay, next one.
Erasers equal to 10 rupees.
And
2
last
erasers
one.
equal to 3 kites equal to 30 rupees.
Okay, fine. So we have $1 for rupees 35, 2 erasers, rupees 10 and 3 kites for rupees 30. So again, we'll write here ones and tens first. Okay. Bhavashrit, you tell me what are the numbers in ones place here?
5,
5 and
0
0.
and 0.
Very good. Numbers in ones place are 5, 0 and 0. So first you tell me 5 plus 0 how much?
5,
Very good. And again 5 plus 0?
5.
Yes. So here in ones place we will write here 5. In ones place we'll be writing here 5. Okay. Dhruti,
Yes, ma'am.
what are the numbers in tens place?
10 plus 40.
No. 5. In third question, what are the numbers in tens place?
5.
5 and I have clearly written there T and that T stands for tens. 5,
5 rupees plus 1,
5, 1 and
3.
yeah, 5, 1 and 3. Now tell me Dhruti, 5 plus 1 how much?
6.
6. And now 6 plus 3?
95.
6 plus 3 is 9. So we'll answer is 9, 5, 95. And don't forget to make here rupee symbol. So this is 95. Rupee. Answer is 9595 rupees. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
No?
Okay, children. Remaining questions will continue in the next period. You have now 15 minutes break. We'll meet at sharp 10:35. Okay?